So I already know that you can't really see or tell that I have hairy, bushy legs because of my camera quality I use for my phone. But I do have hairy legs. They are pretty like beastly like, but you're just gonna see. I struggled a lot with waxing myself. I actually got into that show called You on Netflix. Never watched it, and I basically have been getting caught up within no time. So that's what I was doing while I was waxing myself, and struggling while waxing myself because I it just didn't want to work for me at all. I used to wax myself when I was younger, and I haven't done it in a while. And I don't know if it was because it's a different brand, but it just didn't want to work for me. I just I I was definitely struggling, and you can definitely see it in this video. So I didn't really hit record for most of my legs, but that's because I was getting frustrated and I just wanted to try my right leg before I tried my left leg. And I'm not even gonna lie, I actually stopped with waxing myself just to finish with shaving because it just wasn't working. I'm also quite frustrated that none of my hair really showed up on film. You can kind of see how bushy my armpit is, but it really was bushy. I actually should have measured it out with my ruler, but it was probably almost 2 inches long. But yeah, I definitely am frustrated with myself doing this. I mean, you can see some of my hair right there. At this point, I had some choice words, and I'm so glad it didn't pick up because it did not work. The wax matted my hair down, and I had to take basically the same body oil that I use for my lotion and oiling up myself. I had to use it to take off the wax because it was not trying to get off my skin. It literally wanted to stay on my armpit. And I'm like, are you serious right now? Like, no matter what, I was trying to do everything to take it off, and it just was not working. So at this point, I was like, F this, I'm done. I'm just done. Struggle face is definitely real, and I hope you liked the video and find it entertaining. Alright, bye.